How to reset Steam games or erase game data. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to reset your Steam games or erase game data. This is useful if you want to restart from zero or start fresh or remove game files completely. So let's get started. Before you reset or erase game data, make sure to back up any saved progress you might want to keep. You can manually copy saved files from the game's directory or use Steam's cloud saving feature to keep your data safe. This option is only optional. Step number 2. Uninstall the game. So to erase all game files, you need to uninstall the game first. Open Steam, go to Library, find the game and right-click on it, select Manage and then uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation and wait for the process to complete. Step number 3. Delete local game files. So even after uninstalling the game, some local files may remain, so here's how to remove them. Go to File Explorer, navigate to C, Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, or the folder where your Steam games are installed. This is the default folder. Find the folder for the game you just uninstalled and delete it manually. This ensures no leftover files are keeping game data. Some games store settings and configuration files separately from the installation folder, so to fully reset the game, open File Explorer and go to C, Users, then your name or the name of your PC, App Data, Local, then App Data or Roman. Find the folder named after the game or its developer. Delete any remaining configuration files. This will reset the game settings back to default. Once you've erased the game data and files, you can reinstall the game from Steam, so go to Steam and find the game in your library, click Install to start fresh with the game, and this is also optional. And that's it, you've now successfully reset or erased the game data, so if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.